My name is Tanya Carr and I live in Chino Hills, and we just called Dent Evo out to repair a dent I had in my car. I just got a brand new car and somehow there was a dent in it, and I wanted to keep it as close to the factory settings as possible, so painting really wasn't an option for me. Dent Evo came out. They're fantastic on communicating the process, getting here in a timely manner, and most importantly doing a fantastic job so my car is pretty much back to its normal state. Appreciate them, and I highly recommend you calling them if you have a dent in your car.
Hang on a minute. That just looked way too easy, didn't it? Well, it is easy when you know what you're doing. And all you need to do is call us. dentevo.com, making brand new cars look brand new again.